In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to digitally sign your documents using the Zoho Books and Zoho Sign integration. This process is both simple and efficient, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to handle your digital signing needs directly through Zoho Books with ease. First, open your web browser and head over to the Zoho Books website. You can do this by simply typing Zoho Books into your search engine and clicking on the official link. Once you're on the website, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner of the page where you'll see the Sign In option. Click on that. If you haven't set up a Zoho account yet, you'll need to do so to proceed. Once you are signed in, you'll find yourself on the Zoho Books homepage. This is where it all begins. Look around and familiarize yourself with the dashboard, as this is where you can access most of your Zoho functionalities. Now find and click on the Settings option. It's usually represented by a gear icon likely placed at the bottom left of your navigation pane. This menu gives you access to a variety of settings and integrations to customize and enhance your Zoho Books experience. From there, navigate to the Marketplace option. This area is a treasure trove of integrations that enhance the functionality of your Zoho experience. Marketplace is your gateway to connecting different Zoho services and third-party applications to streamline your workflow. Within the Marketplace, there's a search bar, a powerful tool that makes it easy to find the specific app you're looking for. Type in Zoho Sign. Almost instantly you will see Zoho Sign pop up as one of the search results. Click on it to open up more details about the integration. Now that you're viewing Zoho Sign's integration page, it's time to activate it. You'll find an Activate button on this page. Clicking this button will link Zoho Sign with your Zoho Books account, enabling you to sign documents digitally without hassle. Make sure to follow any on-screen prompts to complete this activation process. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully integrated Zoho Sign with Zoho Books. With this integration, you can now sign documents digitally, directly from your Zoho Books account, making your business transactions smoother and quicker than ever before. Remember, integrating these two powerful tools not only simplifies digital signing, but also enhances the overall efficiency of your document management processes. Thank you for joining me today, and happy digital signing.